We're joined by our best player of the game, Gian Mamuya, and our winning coach, Coach Yang Yao. Gentlemen, congratulations. I'll start with you, Coach. The last time you made it to the semifinals back in 2018 Philippine Cup, you were still with NLEX. If you could just put into words how you feel about this win and going back to the semifinals.
Sabi ko sa mga players, actually yesterday in practice, I already told them, this is gonna be our championship game. Marami sa kanila hindi pa nakakatikim ng semifinals. Ako matagal na rin. So we felt that this could be a historic game for us. So excited sila. Excited din ako. Actually matagal na eh. But I guess masyado lang kaming swerte, no? Kulang yung token text. And then we started out well kanina. Maganda yung start namin. Mabuti na lang, malaki yung lamang namin. Kung maliit yung lamang namin, talo kami. So, ganun kagaling yung token text. They really played with a lot of class. Kahit na kulang-kulang sila, kahit na si Roger na injured pa nung huli. Kinayod talaga nila, kaso kinapos lang. I guess it's really the big lead. And to us, it's the pace of the game. So, alam namin, kukunti yung rotation nila, kulang sila. And we really like to play a fast-paced game, transition game. So, sa amin, natural naman namin laro yun. And if we can force them to run with us, na konti na nga sila, tingin namin, advantage namin yun. So, ang ganda pa ng laro ni Mamu. Alam naman natin, slasher talaga to, no? But he's really trying to add the 3-point shot to his repertoire. So yung biggest shot kanina, I think, was the 3-point shot that he made. Kaya mayabang na rin to kasi may 3 points na raw siya. So, ayun. Also, I'm really happy we gave the fans a really nice game to watch. So, gusto natin yun sa PBA. Gusto natin matuwa yung mga fans eh. Kaya, kahit na kabadong-kabado na ako, sabi ko, tuwa yung mga fans, magandang laro ito. No? So, I think we should give them more of those. Na hindi alam kung sino mananalo, laban lang ng laban, bakbakan yung laban, ratrata ng ratratan. Those are the games that are enjoyable to watch. So, my hats off to Coach Chot and the TNT franchise. Akala ko nakabaon na sila eh. Pero bumangon sila sa hukay. Ang galing nila. Ang galing talaga nila.
Now, Coach, this series umabot hanggang Game 3. Gaano kalaki, kaimportante yung the way it unfolded this series for the experience, especially the younger guys in this team? Lalo na next round, it's gonna be against San Miguel.
Ano lang, no? Actually, yung mga young guys namin, ang sinasabi ko lang sa kanila is, this is going to be a toughness test. We will see how tough we are in this situation. We will know our real character. Lalaman mo kung are you a big game player? Are you somebody na pag nagkadigdi ka na, mawawala ka na? So, at least, bata pa itong mga to, pero marunong nang lumaban. Yun ang sa akin na importante. So, imagine if they get a little bit more experience. Itong 7-game series na to, this is going to be our best learning experience. Kalaban mo pa yung San Miguel. So, kahit anong mangyari, panalo na kami rito. Walang mawawala sa amin, madadagdagan pa yung kaalaman namin dito.
Thank you, Coach Mamu. First semi-finals appearance ito, it's going to be against San Miguel. Una-una, if you could describe to us yung determinasyon at kagustuhan lalo nga ng mga kabatch mo dito sa Rain or Shine to make it to the next level.
Well, siguro part na rin yung gusto namin give back sa organization kasi matagal na hindi nakakapag-semis ang Rain or Shine. So ginusto talaga namin makarating sa semis. And again, sabi nga ni Coach Cheng, labanan na lang ng kung sino yung mas matapang, mas matigas. And buti na lang, kahit bata kaming team, lumaban naman kami. Kasi kung hindi, masisigawan kami ni Coach Cheng. Diba? So, ayun, great learning experience. The past few games was puro dikdikan eh. So, character building games and buti na lang yung team namin kahit bata lumalaban and nagre-respond.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Coach, congratulations. Coach, this conference ang daming surprises. From the start, teams na expected na i-start ng maganda. Then there's the appearance ng playoffs. Then you guys from 0-4 all the way to the semifinals. And Coach being Raiders being the independent team that you take pride of, how will you carry that in Mantan or
Yun nga, makarating ka lang kasi ng semis. Ibig sabihin nun, meron kang na-bump off na elite na team. Top 4 ka eh. So, pag top 4 ka, independent team ka, merong nalaglag na matinding team talaga. So, that in itself is a source of pride, source of achievement. And then sa akin kasi future ang ano ko, we're playing the long game. This is a long game for us. Hindi kami pwedeng mag-acquire bigla ng talent na magiging tinatawag na game changer sa team namin. We have to develop talent. And this is the way you develop talent. Getting them deep in the playoff, making them experience yung playoffs, yung dikdikan, yung adjustment sa laro, yung game planning, yung emotional toll sa'yo niyan. Kahit hindi ka naglalaro, nakahiga ka lang sa kama, ay stress ka na. So gusto ko maramdaman nila lahat yun. Kasi dun sila gagaling. That's the key element that builds your character. So we're playing as underdogs, we know that. San Miguel pa, the best team in the conference ang kalaban mo. Wala kaming I don't think there's any pressure on us as we play the 7-game series. We will just play as hard as we can. Yun ang gagawin natin.
Coach, you have 6 players in double figures. Hindi pa kasama dun si Karakot and Belga. Coach, with that, do you think you have enough firepower to battle against a deep San Miguel team based on the performance?
Tatlong grupo yung first 5 ng San Miguel eh. So wala namang team na may kakayanan sabayan ng San Miguel eh. So kami pa. No? So lalaban lang, tingnan lang hanggang saan makarating. Wala kaming pantapat kay Junmar. Wala kaming pantapat kay CJ, kay Terence. No? Pero pahihirapan namin sila. Ganun lang magagawa namin. Pahihirapan namin sila. Kung manalo. Kung matalo, kailangan matalo ka na nakataas yung noo mo after the game.
You're not conceding anything po?
Wala. We want San Miguel to feel all the pressure. Dahil wala nang pressure sa amin. Panalo na kami. Champion na kami sa isip namin. May konting bonus na, pero sana matagdagan naman, di ba?
Coach, pinahirapan ng Terra Firma yung San Miguel sa quarterfinal series, di ba? Are you going to, or have you learned anything from that playbook ng Terra Firma going to the semifinals?
Yes, ang natutunan namin, mahirap talunin ng San Miguel. Hindi mo kayang i-match up yung San Miguel. Kailangan maghanap ka ng ibang paraan para talunin mo yung San Miguel. Kasi tao for tao, wala eh. Experience playoff, wala eh. Sa coaching, galing ni George eh. Ang galing ni George dahil assistant ko dati yan eh. Baka may nakuha namang ano sa akin yan, no? So, resources, malayo. So, I think the series is for them to lose. But we will just be there. We will just hang around.
Coach, follow-up question lang po. You already mentioned how you feel about the series against San Miguel. Pero for your players, is there a particular matchup na you are actually excited about, lalo best of 7 to, and the matchup that you're most worried about?
I want to see my guards pair against Terence and CJ. I want to see Keith Datu bumping bodies with Junmar. No? I want to see Bo leading the young guys. Kasi siya yung pinaka-leader namin. I want to see Gabe bringing this team together. Kasi siya naman talaga din yung isang leader pa namin aside from Bo. Yun lang. Sabi ko nga, we're playing the long game. We're playing the long game. It will take 1 or 2 more years before these guys really develop. And then, baka pagka nasa amin pa sila, then pwede tayo mag-usap na siguro panglaban na talaga. Pero, ano lang, lalaban lang kami. Baka makachamba pa rin. Baka kung 5% lang yung chance naming manalo, baka matapat sa 5%.
Coach, any chance of Luis Villegas?
Wala. No, wala. 2028 pa maglalaro.
Tapos na kontrato ko po siya.
Just to remind you, any other past player?
Si Mamo?
This early?
Wala.
Hindi pwede.
Unique ito, ano lang to, isa lang sa mundo tong si...
Unique. Lordy.
Hindi, magkaiba. Mas gwapo naman si Lordy.
Ay, akala ko ako na.
Kasi magkakawa na rin yan. Ayos. Okay na?
Alright, that wraps up our
Salamat.
post-conference. Thank you, gentlemen. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Yes.
Akala ko.